5 DSP. Mi fa molto piacere ascoltarti, credo per la prima volta, e comunque anch'io, se vuoi vedere le mie antenne, sono su qrz.com. Magari un'altra volta parliamo un po' più a lungo, perché qui ci sono tante stazioni, tanti amici che ti stanno chiamando, non voglio intrattenerti oltre. Buonanotte, buoni
One positive and one very negative one. The positive one is that Keith Richards, trying out different amplifiers, he reverts to the little box, the little 61 box, the little TC60. That has the best sound for the studio, the best overdrive. Allowed to play the bass guitar. All he is allowed to do is playing the maracas.
And hope you have a beautiful time on Cyprus there. It's a beautiful country, and it's a long time ago since I was there. Around about 25 years ago I was there, maybe longer, I think 28 years ago. But it's a beautiful country. It's the island Cyprus. It's very nice. You enjoy it down there, Andy, and afterwards you take it steady on. Go ahead. Thanks for the QSO and Mike. Back to you for the final. DL1LRI.
DL1LRI, Golf 1 Yankee, Golf for Golf returning. Okay, Gerald, no problem. All my details on QRZ to QSL information. I'm also using an Amatron amplifier running about 250 watts and using a 70-foot long wire antenna, so it's quite a short wire antenna actually, and it's up at about 12 meters high inverted Z, and the radio's a Yaesu ST950 standard microphone. Thanks for the contact, Gerald. It's lovely to speak to you.
Lighthouse, Delta Manor, Echo Mike, Station Lighthouse, Langston Anruf, Rapport 559, ist wunderbar, ich habe Helmut, und dann am Leuchtturmkampen, Quelle. Wasser, DL0, EM, Lighthouse,
Italia Kilo 2 contenuta it's not a direct sort of internet connection. What is your GPX, Radio United 3 Delta Delta Yankee Echo Alpha 3 Alpha Kilo Papa